A ultra-wide monitor review, worth buying. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the LG 34U511A ultra-wide monitor to see whether it's worth buying. We'll cover its display quality, gaming performance, productivity features, connectivity, and overall value so you can decide if it's the right monitor for your setup. Let's start with the display. The LG 34U511A features a 34-inch ultra-wide IPS panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio and a 2560x1080 WFHD resolution. Compared to a standard 16:9 monitor, the wider screen gives you significantly more horizontal workspace, making it ideal for multitasking, spreadsheets, video editing, and having multiple windows open side by side. It also delivers 99% sRGB color coverage, factory color calibration, and VESA Display HDR 400 support for improved brightness and more vibrant HDR content. Now let's talk about performance. The monitor supports a 100 Hz refresh rate, which provides smoother scrolling, better desktop responsiveness, and noticeably more fluid gaming than a standard 60 Hz display. It also includes 1 ms motion blur reduction, helping reduce perceived motion blur during fast-paced gameplay. While it's not designed as a competitive esports monitor, it performs well for casual and mainstream gaming. Thanks to its IPS panel, viewing angles are excellent, and colors remain consistent even when viewed from the side. This makes it a good choice for photo editing, content creation, office work, and watching movies with multiple people. For gamers, LG includes several useful gaming features such as black stabilizer, dynamic action sync, and crosshair mode. These settings improve visibility in darker scenes and reduce input delay, giving players a better gaming experience. connectivity is simple but practical. The monitor includes one HDMI port, one DisplayPort 1.4, and a 3.5 headphone jack. It also supports 100x100 VESA mounting, allowing you to install it on a monitor arm or wall mount if desired. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The biggest advantages are the spacious ultra-wide IPS display, accurate colors, HDR 400 support, smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, and excellent multitasking capabilities. It offers a comfortable viewing experience for both work and entertainment. However, there are a few compromises. The 2560x1080 resolution is lower than the 3440x1440 resolution found on many premium ultra-wide monitors. As a result, text isn't quite as sharp, especially if you sit very close to the screen. The stand also offers tilt adjustment only without height, swivel, or pivot adjustments. So is the LG 34U511A worth buying? If you're looking for an affordable ultra-wide monitor for productivity, office work, media consumption, and casual gaming, the answer is yes. It delivers a large, color-accurate IPS display, smooth 100 Hz performance, and useful gaming features at a competitive price. However, if you're a professional video editor, graphic designer, or competitive gamer who needs a higher 3440x1440 resolution, faster refresh rates, or a fully adjustable stand, you may want to invest in a higher-end ultra-wide model. Here's my honest verdict. For most users, the LG 34U511A offers an excellent balance of price, display quality, and everyday performance. It's especially well-suited for multitasking, remote work, studying, and casual gaming. While it isn't a premium ultra-wide, it delivers impressive value and is one of the better budget-friendly 34-inch ultra-wide monitors currently available. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more monitor reviews and buying guides, and let me know in the comments which monitor you'd like me to review next.